if you think dirt cheap buyer clicks from a top world countries are a fantasy, then think again. Take a look at this. Don't believe me? Well, Ivana Boshnik here, and I've been marketing online for many years now. But one of the things that I've learned along the way is that screenshots are often fake. So I've made a huge change in my business. If I show you any strategy, I better back it up with live proof. So take a look at this. Here is the best part. Using this simple strategy, you can easily get penny clicks from the top countries. Traffic is 100% targeted. It gets you thousands of visitors at no cost as well. You can easily turn it into a six-figure business. You can also generate a lot of passive daily commissions. But don't take my word for it. Take a look at the results of one of our students.
Hi guys, I'm Pratika Kapoor here. I'm a makeup artist, hairstylist and a blogger. First of all, Ram, thank you so much for introducing me to this method. At first I could not believe how simple and powerful this could be, but on learning how to bring targeted traffic at such cheap cost actually helped me improve my online blog earnings. Now I'm driving thousands of visitors on my health and beauty blog, and it costs me just few cents per visitor. I'm also using the same strategy to generate leads for my salon business, and I'm getting customers every day. So thank you.
As you can see, real people are getting real results with this strategy, and that is why for a very limited time, we are going to offer this cool strategy to general public in a form of high quality training. Introducing to you Penny Drill. Here is what is included. You get a complete step-by-step training. It requires only 1 hour per day to run. You can even outsource the entire system, and you can grow it to a six-figure business. There is also a real case study that is included. It is 100% newbie friendly and easy to follow. You get hundreds of pages of PDF, 13 over-the-shoulder videos. It is 100% ethical, repeatable, and scalable. And that is not all. If you act now, you are also going to get these powerful bonuses. The first bonus is valued at $997, and it shows you exactly how to build a 10K email subscriber list in just 28 days. The second bonus is a quick start checklist, which is valued at $97. The bonus number 3 is VIP Facebook community and coaching valued at $197. But here's the thing, you have to hurry. Bonuses are available to the early takers of Penny Drill only. So click on the Buy Now button right below this video, and we'll see you on the inside.